Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm at Raffles Hotel, and this is the daytime, and I'm staying in a hotel room way up there, 43rd floor. It was about less than 100 American dollars. Okay, so we're in Chongqing, and there's a big landmark now called Raffles Hotel, and I stayed in it. I stayed in the hotel. So I'm gonna have some images of the hotel and also from the inside and the outside, so you can get an idea of what it looks like as well. And I also will do a video first, so you get a preview, and then I'll do the walk and talk where I walk around with the camera, and you can hear my interaction with the scenery around me and my observations. And then also, lastly, I have links down below so that you can view my other Chongqing videos. And I also have 39 total, so that means I'm gonna have about another 30 to upload. So I'm gonna have a lot of different parts of Chongqing, so if you wanna subscribe, do that as well so you can see those coming up. I'll put up like one every 5 days or something like that over the next 30 episodes. Anyways, I love Chongqing. Let's get into it. Let's get into the video. Oh, and here's the map as well so you can see exactly where we're at in Chongqing. So we're right on the tip that overlooks the rivers and such. So anyways, let's get into it. Chongqing. Now, video, music, and then the walk and talk. Pew.
Take me down the alleys, take me away. Take me anywhere, take me, take me, take me. Chongqing, baby. Oh, I'm in Chongqing, baby. Chongqing. Chongqing. Baby, oh baby, Chongqing, baby, Chongqing. Take me down the alleys, take me away. Take me anywhere, take me, take me, take me, take me. Chongqing. Baby, oh, I'm in Chongqing, baby. Chongqing. Chongqing. Baby, oh, baby. Chongqing, baby.
So pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so I'm at Raffles Hotel, and this is the daytime, and I'm staying in a hotel room way up there, 43rd floor. It was about less than 100 American dollars. Can't remember exactly, but like maybe 80 American dollars. Kind of amazing, to be honest. And then this is the skyline from here. And we're just gonna walk all the way up to it, and I think we can also see the different colors of the water. Okay, I didn't see this before. So they're developing quite a bit down there, and there's a big pavilion. And then one thing you can see from the river is there's the rivers meet, so one of them is kind of a dark brown, the other is kind of a blue. That one is a dark brown. That one is the blue. But I think there's actually 4 rivers. But this is one spot where the water kind of mixes together. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to show you the hotel room, and I'll also show you what it looks like a little bit later as well at nighttime. Pretty cool space. Amazing. Okay, so we're going to go up and show you what the hotel room looks like. Okay, so we're going to start in the kitchen, and we can wash there. This is the front door, and then as you can see I have a nice living room as well, and I can do laundry, and I think that was a dishwasher at the beginning, but there's also laundry because I did it earlier. I did it while I was there. Nice clean bathroom, pretty big. Walk-in closet, also nice size too. And then, of course, the $1 million view is right here. I do have another building in front of me, which I was, I guess that's kind of the way it is because that's the way that it's structured. But I can still see through the sides, like that one right there. And I think you pay a lot more money. I think I paid around $80, 80 American dollars, which was pretty amazing. The quality of hotels in China is incredible, absolutely incredible. So, but anyways, that's what it looks like from inside. And that's like the bulk of the city in that direction, with the view on the other. So yeah, I stayed in a room right in between the two. So yeah, I don't know what to think. It's pretty cool. I would have preferred if I had a room that looked one way or the other, besides the in between. But what can I say? The price is really good. It was only like under 100 American dollars, right? So. And then there's also a shopping mall. I think we're on the ceiling of it right now, but underneath there's a shopping mall. Big, large shopping mall. So I don't know, Chongqing is, oh okay, I can kind of see that now. So over here you can see that we're actually up on a rooftop, and then down there there's apartments that are hotels. I don't know, something, buildings. And anyways, I'll try to show that as well. So we're just gonna walk around and we'll get an idea what that is too. We got some artwork, and so yeah, we're kind of slowly going down, and so now I can see it. We have the stairs that we're descending a little bit, and then we'll get a better and better view as we go down as well. Let me just kind of show this real quick. So those are some reference points. Okay, so now I can see that down below. So I think we're on top of the mall. So okay, I'm gonna go down further and then we'll take a look back at it. Okay, so now you can see it from the full, so it says the Ascott way up there, the hotel. I think there's 4 hotels, that's one of them. And then straight ahead right here is the mall. So they're all going down. And then there's actually like an 8-story mall. I should go in there and show that on film too. And then I basically just went up on the rooftop of the mall. Anyways, pretty cool. I'll come by and film that mall later. But this is near this station over here, train station, metro station. And so I'll come over and I'll film this a little bit later. The inside of the mall, and hopefully, and what it looks like at nighttime. Okay, so I'm staying at the Raffles Hotel, and this is basically connected to it. I just came directly out of the train station, right into the mall, and then I'll also go right into the Raffles Hotel. So that's kind of amazing. And it's about 9:30 at night. I filmed earlier, around early afternoon, I guess. And I'm just coming back, and I'm gonna try to do the night scene as well from the hotel window. See what it looks like. So anyways, yeah, this whole shopping mall is in here. There's a food court down below. I went there for lunch. There's some really good food. And I think it's probably busy all day, but it's not so busy at the moment. I think I have to go down actually, so maybe we'll go down that way, give you a little idea what it looks like. But yeah, it's about 9:30, and it closes at 10. So we're gonna go down, and then I'll just kind of show you real quick. Oh, we don't have it here. Okay, anyways, Raffles Shopping Mall, right next to the Raffles Hotel, inside. Okay, that's the view at nighttime. Huh. Here's some different views. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go back in. That's one view. There's lots of people walking all the way down that way as well, but we're gonna go back in. So there's some more viewing platforms. Raffles City, that's where I'm staying. But I'm going to show you a little bit more of the mall, and then I'm going to try to... This mall closes at 10, which is about 25 minutes. So we'll see, and then I can try to show you for the view from the hotel as well, from the window. Bakery. Okay, so we're back, and there's a light coming in. Okay, so all the lights outside. Okay. So actually from this angle you can kind of see, but not as good as you could from different angles, but wow! There's the city right there. Doesn't really come across so great on the camera. But anyways, that's the hotel room at night. I promised I would show it. And that's actually what the city looks like. I just can't seem to get a glare. It looks cooler in person. I don't know if it does look so cool in the camera. But yeah, anyways, Raffles. Okay, so we're back outside. We were up there somewhere. And yeah, the view is better from here, of course. There's some ships out there. And you got the bridge way over there as well. I think that's kind of a major tourist attraction, that bridge. But I think there's another bridge around this way as well. Well, there's one right there. there's a lot of them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go back in between and walk all the way down. We're on the rooftop of the mall right now, and then we're gonna walk down and try to capture it again at nighttime, what it looks like from the distance. Actually, that's what I was seeing outside my window, but I think I was on one over, but still same. And I just came out the Ascot door right there. Kind of cool. And that was the waterfront over there. Another angle of it. And we're walking up on this rooftop over top of the mall. And we're gonna go down and give you a big distance view from down near the street. And now for the nighttime view. So yep, I'm staying up there tonight. I'm up way at the top, so I guess I must be, no, I'm not up the top. I guess Ascot is this one in front, and then there's another one, Capital Land, which is like office buildings, I guess, which has the ocean view, and Ascot has the city view. And I'm kind of on the side there, so I can kind of see the ocean a little bit, and I can also see the city a little bit. I guess if I was not on the side, I'd want to be on the side. So I don't know. And now we're into the city part. And there we go. Raffles, China, Singapore, Chongqing. And that's the city. Right there. You can see it from the window. All right. That's Raffles Hotel. One last view between those trees, I guess. Welcome to Chongqing. So we're still at Raffles, but I just saw this was open. And I'm just walking down the street and I'm seeing better and better views all the time. And it's about 11:30 at night. So some of the streets. And then Raffles is right there. All kinds of cool stuff. Then you can start walking down the hillside as well. So we're taking pictures from that angle. Anyways, that's Raffles. This is Chongqing.